Alright, so welcome to this video blog. My name is Chad Clark. We're still going to do this each week. This week I figured we'd talk about what to do to prevent falls. So there is actually a lot of things, and I think a couple months ago we did a few of some higher level balance leg reaches, a whole series of multi-directional lunges. Those are really good for helping prevent falls and improving balance. But for people that might be a little more timid or say, hey, I don't think I can do that, what we've found here is if we do a simple, what's called a sit to stand. So all it is standing up and sitting down. For someone that would need a little more support, we could do 1 or 2 chairs. Some people even put their walker in front of them so they're well supported and they just work on this basic movement pattern, sitting, standing. What we tell people, it's really simple and easy to remember, is to stick their rear end out so when they're going forward, their butt comes up, and then that helps them lift off the chair. And then when they go to sit back down, their rear end goes back, so they basically keep their back and knees in a good position. So it's good for knees and back. A few other pointers: as someone does this, they would contract their abdominal muscles and actually squeeze their butt together a little bit, so as they create a nice solid support, which actually helps them stand up and sit down better. The reason why this works so well to prevent falls is you're working all the key muscles that stabilize us when we're standing or walking. So then we're just better at standing and walking and less likely for gravity to pull us down and to promote a fall. So the most that you would need is a couple chairs and possibly another, maybe 3 chairs, or a walker if that's what you use, or a cane. And then as someone progresses, I have this pretty high. It's about a 24-inch seat. In here, this is really easy to do. We actually lower it down so it makes it more difficult. And that is done because as someone gets stronger, we need to overload the muscles more by having them go through a greater distance. So some people will actually get to the point where this is all the way down to a 16-inch seat. At home, you would just use varying levels of chairs and sofas or beds. And the key pattern, even if you need to use your hands, that's fine, is to stick the rear end out as you're going down and up, and just to do it in a nice, comfortable pace. Usually 5 repetitions at a time, 5 to 10 times a day. It adds up to about 25 to 50 reps, but it's spread out throughout the day. That's much better than trying to do all 25 or 50 in a row, or even doing 10 in a row for 5 sets. So 5 at a time throughout the day. It breaks up the monotony of sitting as well, because we tend to sit a lot. So as we do this, 5 repetitions, nice and safe, and hopefully in a pain-free way, that's one of the best things to help build up strength to prevent falls. As always, if you have any questions, definitely call, email, or stop by, and thank you.